Are you enjoying this Christmas season?
Wow. Are you enjoying it?
Yes, let me call Zazu and Simba to remind us what we have been making.
Yes.
Come on, Zazu, Simba.
Hello,
Hi, children.
Hello, children.
How are you? We miss you. It's Christmas time.
Yes, it is.
What are we making, Auntie? What? They're going to tell us what they've been making.
What we've been making this entire Christmas season.
Oh, we first made it was marshmallow,
Yes.
chocolate,
Cupcake. Wow. What did we make next?
and then we made cake.
Yay! And then we made
the cookie.
Yes. Oh, you guys are very clever. You remember everything.
And do you know, Auntie Brenda, what are we making today?
This looks so yummy, Auntie Joy. Zazu, do you see?
Oh my God.
We're making honey barbecue chicken wings.
Can you say it?
Yes, say it.
Honey barbecue
chicken wings. Yes. Oh, who likes chicken?
Oh, my mommy.
And you?
You don't like it?
No.
Oh.
You don't like chicken?
I like the wings.
Okay. Auntie Brenda, are you going to tell us what that is?
Yes, I'm going to tell you what this is. Now
Okay.
here we have some crushed onions, garlic, some dhania. We crushed it together and we mixed it into our chicken. We mixed it into the chicken. Then you let it sit for some time so that the flavor goes inside the chicken. And then after, we baked it.
In the oven.
Yes.
15 minutes on each side until it's nice and brown like this. And do you know what we are going to do next?
No.
We are going to put on the honey barbecue. But first of all, I need to tell them what they mean.
Yes.
We mix some barbecue sauce.
Wow.
We mix some whole grain mustard.
Wow.
We mix some mustard, yellow mustard. We mix some vinegar. Oh, and we mix some honey as well.
Yes, the honey.
And some honey.
Yes.
And this is what we got. So do you know what we are going to do now, Auntie Brenda?
No.
We are going to get the chicken wings, put this sauce on the chicken wings, and put them back in the oven.
Wow.
So,
Okay.
can we try?
Yes, let's do that.
Okay, let me do that there. I can put it in. Oops, sorry, Simba.
Oh, it's okay.
Then I turn it around.
Oh, that looks yummy already.
Then I put it on the oven tray.
Go for the next one.
And then
Simba,
I
you
let
see?
it-
Yes.
Now
Try not
dip
fall
it
into the
in.
sauce.
And then I put it in again. And then I pull it out. I already want to eat it.
Yes, it smells so yum.
The next one it's you making.
Okay.
I push it down again. Turn it around. Make sure it's all covered.
Perfect.
And then I put it there. Auntie Brenda, you want to try as well?
Let me try.
Yes.
I get my chicken wing.
Press it down. Yes.
That's why you see this.
Yes.
It looks so yummy.
Wow.
We do another one.
Yes.
Down.
Over.
Wow, this looks so yummy. Who are you going to share with, Zazu?
With mommy.
With mommy?
Yes.
And your friends are neighbors.
Yes.
Because it's Christmas, you know.
Oh, yes.
We share. at Christmas.
Sharing is caring.
Yes, that's true. Okay, actually you do the last one.
I do the last one.
Yes.
And then I put it in the oven. Okay, here's the last one. Press down. Simba, you see?
Yes.
Okay. You want to taste some barbecue sauce?
Yes.
Does it taste nice?
Does you want to taste?
That's nice.
This is yum.
And then we put it on the tray. Now we are going to take it to
To
the
the
oven.
oven. Come, let's go to the oven. Simanzazu, come see. Chicken.
Do you know what we are going to put on now? Some sim on top. See? Sim or sesame seeds. Ooh, isn't that beautiful?
Yes.
Very beautiful. Wow.
This looks so yummy.
So, before you eat, we have to say bye to the children.
And wish them a
Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
Can we sing for them? We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Yes, we can
Before
sing
we
for them.